Hi, in this training video, you're going to learn how to quickly model domains using the GenRocket ScratchPad. The GenRocket ScratchPad is an electronic scratchpad where you can quickly enter domain attributes in many different formats. For example, we'll use a comma to delimit the attribute names we want to use to quickly enter the common characteristics of a user domain. We'll select the Create with Generators button to have GenRocket automatically assign generators to each attribute. And in only a few seconds, using the GenRocket ScratchPad, we've created our user domain. Let's use the ScratchPad again to quickly model and edit a more complex domain. This time we'll use a line feed for our delimiter and paste attributes into the ScratchPad we want to model. Let's take a look at the attributes we want to edit. First, we want to modify the last and first name attribute generators for random name generation. Next, we want to modify each of the date attribute generators for their respective quarterly date generation. Lastly, we want to switch the payment attribute generators to a generator that produces dollar values. So, first, let's go to our ScratchPad editor, select the name gen generator, select to modify both attributes, and change the generator's sort order from ascending to random. Next, let's select the flexible date range gen generator. And here, we want to make several modifications to each generator so that each quarterly attribute reflects the start date for their respective quarter. Note how within the ScratchPad editor, we're able to quickly modify the format parameter for all four attributes. And now, how we're able to separately but quickly modify each start date parameter. Within our ScratchPad editor, we can be very nimble. Let's quickly modify the start range parameter for the second through fourth quarter attributes. Within the ScratchPad editor, we can be verbose. Let's quickly modify the end-range parameter for all four attributes. Let's modify the next by parameter from year to day for all four attributes. And let's modify the randomize parameter from true to false. Our results will show the first and last names generating randomly and the first through fourth quarter dates generating correctly. Now we want to go back into the ScratchPad editor and change the generator for the four payment attributes from the default simple pattern gen generator automatically assigned to them to the random money gen generator. For all four attributes, we want to modify the start range parameter to 10,000, the end range parameter to 100,000, and the fraction parameter from 0 and 5 to 0 through 99. This is the power and flexibility you gain to quickly and easily model domains and their attributes using the GenRocket ScratchPad. Thank you for watching this GenRocket training video.